A federal appeals court rejected former President Trump's claim that he's immune from criminal prosecution related to his alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 election, including actions that led to the January 6 attack on the U.S. Capitol. The ruling states, "We cannot accept that the office of the presidency places its former occupants above the law for all time thereafter."
Whatever protections he thinks he may have, because he's a former president, he doesn't have. He's a citizen Trump.
Trump showing his discontent with the decision, posting online, "A president of the United States must have full immunity in order to properly function and do what has to be done for the good of our country."
He can seek to have this heard by the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court does not have to take it.
The former president's legal team has vowed to appeal, which could cause further delays. Special counsel Jack Smith is hoping to prosecute the case this year.
I think that there is, some gamesmanship really on both sides of playing the calendar based on the election.
Tuesday's decision comes as voters weigh in the Nevada presidential primaries and caucuses this week.
I don't think he did anything wrong.
I feel like every citizen of the United States needs to be held accountable to something that they did wrong.
Trump's legal battle is expected to play a key role in the race for the White House. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News. On Thursday, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments over whether former President Trump can remain on the ballot in Colorado. This after the state's Supreme Court ruled that he violated Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which stops anyone who engaged in insurrection from holding elected office. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.